Hello students, myself Dr. Sushil Narkhede from Kekewa College of Pharmacy, Nasik, Maharashtra. Today we are going to learn about metal hydride reduction. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, students should able to define and outline metal hydride reduction reaction. Explain and write a reaction mechanism. Remember the importance of metal hydride reduction reaction. These are the minimum expectation from a students by a teacher. Now we will do understand about the metal hydride reduction. Definition. The reduction of carbonyl compound into alcohol by using metal hydride. For example, sodium borohydride NaBH4 and lithium aluminium hydride LiAlH4. So in metal hydride reduction, carbonyl compound which consist of carbonyl group, C double bond O group, are converted into alcohol by using sodium borohydride or by using lithium aluminium hydride. These metal hydrides are used for reduction of group like aldehyde, ketones, acid chloride, esters, epoxides, lactones, carboxylic acids, nitrile group, nitro group, etc. So these metal hydride are used for reduction and they convert these all kind of functional group into alcoholic functional group. So look at these structures. This is the structure of sodium borohydride, NaBH4. This one is the structure of lithium aluminium hydride, LiAlH4. And this metal hydride provides such a hydride nucleophile in the chemical reaction, in the reduction reaction. Oh, these are the reactions carried out by using metal hydride reaction, metal hydride reagent. So here in this reaction, we are observing aldehyde by using NaBH4 or lithium aluminium hydride. It is converted into primary alcohol. It is converted into primary alcohol. So C double bond O group is converted into COH group. Double bond O converted into single bond OH with the addition of one proton, hydrogen atom. In second example, ketones by the action of sodium borohydride or lithium aluminium hydride, they are converted over here into secondary alcohol. Converted into secondary alcohol. So here C double bond O of ketone is converted into C single bond OH with one more additional proton, hydrogen atom attached to carbon, and ketone converts into secondary alcohol. So here when we carried out a reduction reaction by using metal hydride, carbonyl compound, if it is aldehyde, converts into primary alcohol, and if it is ketone, it converts into secondary alcohol. The reaction mechanism for both the metal hydride, sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride, is same. Remember, methanol CH3OH is used as a proton source in the second step in reduction by sodium borohydride, whereas water H2O is used as a proton source when reduction is carried out by lithium aluminum hydride. So now we will see about the reaction mechanism. Now, reaction mechanism of metal hydride reaction when the reaction is carried out by using sodium borohydride reagent, reducing reagent. Now, how the reaction takes place? What is the reaction mechanism that we are going to understand here? So this is the reaction between carbonyl compound and sodium borohydride, a reducing agent, metal hydride reducing agent. And it converts carbonyl compound into alcohol. So look at this, step number 1. In step number 1, nucleophilic attack by hydride ion. Hydride ion comes from metal hydride. So here in this reaction, sodium borohydride NaBH4 attacks on carbonyl carbon of aldehyde or ketone. And when the hydrogen or hydride ion from sodium borohydride attacks on carbonyl carbon, so these pi electrons, double bond between carbon and oxygen, means pi electron goes toward oxygen, and oxygen becomes more electron rich, and carbon is bonded to oxygen by a single bond. And here hydrogen, hydride ion, hydrogen in the form of hydride ion is attached to the carbonyl carbon, and to the negatively charged oxygen the sodium atom is attached, thereby forming sodium alkoxide. So in step number 1, sodium borohydride attacks on carbonyl carbon. It supply hydrogen to the carbonyl carbon in the form of hydride ion, and thereby convert carbonyl compound into sodium alkoxide. Now in step 2, this sodium alkoxide get protonated by alcohol used in this reaction. This reaction is carried out in presence of methanol. So in second step, this alkoxide ion react with methanol, and thereby methanol provide a proton to sodium alkoxide ion, and this causes the replacement of sodium by hydrogen atom, and it converts into hydroxyl group, whereas the sodium takes the position of hydrogen atom in methanol, and methanol converts into sodium methoxide ion, So here is lead to formation of alcohol. To this carbon atom, this newly attached hydrogen, means reduction is taking place over here. This double bond oxygen is converted into single bond OH. Means again over here, addition of hydrogen is taking place. So this carbonyl compound completely undergo reduction and it converts into alcohol by using sodium boron hydride as a metal hydride reducing agent. So this is how the sodium borohydride reduce carbonyl compound into alcohol. Now here we will understand about the reaction mechanism for lithium aluminum hydride. How the reaction takes place? What is the reaction mechanism when reduction is carried out by using lithium aluminum hydride? So look at this reaction mechanism. Reaction mechanism steps. Step number 1 is nucleophilic attack by hydride anion. So now when we do carried out reduction by using lithium aluminum hydride, the attack by hydride ion comes from lithium aluminum hydride. So here in this reaction, lithium aluminum hydride attacks on carbonyl carbon and thereby causes attachment of hydride hydrogen atom to the carbonyl carbon. And this attachment, due to this attachment, the pi electrons between carbon and oxygen goes toward oxygen atom. It carries negative charge. And hence, the lithium metal from the reducing agent attaches to the oxygen atom, negatively charged oxygen atom, and converts carbonyl compound into lithium alkoxide. So here in first step, lithium aluminum hydride attacks on carbonyl compound, more specifically on carbonyl carbon, and thereby convert carbonyl compound into lithium alkoxide. Lithium alkoxide. Now step number 2. In step number 2, this lithium alkoxide form in step 1 now react with water, HOH. So this reaction is carried out in presence of water. So water act as a source of proton in this reaction, and thereby this lithium alkoxide ion in second step interact with water molecule, and water provide a proton to the oxygen atom. Thereby lithium is displaced from its place and hydrogen come as a substitute to lithium ion, lithium metal, and thereby oxygen convert into hydroxyl group. And here is a formation of alcohol. Whereas lithium takes the position of hydrogen atom in water molecule and it converts into LiOH, lithium hydroxide. So this is how the lithium aluminum hydride converts carbonyl compound into alcohol. If carbonyl compound is aldehyde, it forms a primary alcohol. If carbonyl compound is ketone, it forms a secondary alcohol. Now here we will see various applications of these sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride metal hydride reducing agent in pharmaceutical chemistry. Now application of NaBH4, application of NaBH4, sodium borohydride. The first one is reduction of glucose to sorbitol. Glucose is a carbohydrate. When such a glucose is reduced by using NaBH4 and methanol, it converts into sorbitol. So this aldehyde group of glucose is converted into alcoholic group. And this structure, newly formed structure, is known as sorbitol. And this sorbitol is a sweetening agent used in making liquid pharmaceutical preparation. Second application, reduction of substituted aldehyde into alcohol without affecting another reducible group. So here in this reaction, para-nitrobenzyaldehyde is reduced into para-nitrobenzyl alcohol using sodium borohydride. Look at this reaction. Para-nitrobenzyaldehyde, when react with sodium borohydride and alcohol, so this aldehyde group, CHO group, is only converting into alcoholic group. So this reducing agent do not exert any effect on nitro group. Nitro group is being as such in the chemical reaction. No effect on nitro group. It is only specifically targeting on the aldehyde group of the substrate, para-nitrobenzaldehyde, starting material. And thereby, specifically, it converts aldehyde group into alcoholic group. And it forms a product, para-nitrobenzyl alcohol. Now these are the various applications of lithium aluminum hydride. This lithium aluminum hydride is used for reduction of acid and their derivatives. So here in first reaction, acetic acid by using lithium aluminum hydride converts into ethyl alcohol. Converts into ethyl alcohol. So over here C double bond O of the acetic acid is converted into CH2. Is converted into CH2. Okay, so this reduction takes place by using lithium aluminum hydride. Similarly, acid chloride by the action of lithium metal hydride, it converts into ethanol, ethyl alcohol. C double bond O again converts into CH2OH. Ethyl benzoate ester by the action of lithium aluminum hydride converts into benzyl alcohol. Conversion of amide to primary amine takes place using lithium metal hydride. Now, in this way, reduction of acid and their various derivative can be reduced by using lithium aluminum hydride. Second one, reduction of epoxides. So here one, CH2O, this one is epoxide ring. When such a epoxide react with lithium aluminum hydride, opening of the ring takes place and the epoxide converts into alcohol. So these are the various applications of lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent. I hope you understand the metal hydride reduction Thank you and happy learning.